Moin and Guten Tag. Today we are making sourdough croissants, the best croissants I ever made. I'll be showing you how to make them exactly step by step in this video. And to me, those were the perfect croissants, definitely the best croissants I ever made. They had a crispy crust, an open crumb, a buttery taste with around whopping 60% butter, a slight malty taste, and then the tang coming in from the sourdough in the end. Just the best croissants I ever ate, and I hope you are going to enjoy this video. Definitely hope you enjoyed this recipe, and next up autoplaying is going to be the full guide, around 25 minutes with everything explained step by step. Thanks again for watching, have a great day, and if you have questions feel free to reach out, I'm always happy to help. Thank you.